students of Krobea Asante Technical and Vocational School on January 22, 2023 went on rampage and destroyed public and private properties. The motive of the action by the students is not known, but authorities in the school suspect it could be the students who were expressing their displeasure over the poor performance of their predecessors in the final exams. 39 students were earlier arraigned and 4 others were later arrested and put before court. The affected students have been charged with conspiracy to commit crime, with unlawful entry, causing unlawful damage, and stealing. Appearing before the Asukariman District Court on Thursday, February 2, the court granted accused persons bail. They have been admitted to bail in a sum of 2,000 Ghana cedis each, with one surety who has to be a parent or a guardian. They are also expected to report to the police once a week. Lawyer for all the accused persons, Daniel Kwame Boateng, spoke to journalists after the court proceedings.
As lawyers, the fact that we defend does not mean we condone and connive with crime. We are only doing our work in the interest of justice and fairness. So if at the end of the day, the prosecution is able to prove their case beyond reasonable doubt, then all of us will be happy, because in the end, justice must be seen to have been done. Because at least we are saying that if the crime was even perpetrated, it cannot happen that all these juveniles and the young persons were part. So if at the end of the case and the totality of evidence that will be placed before the court, some of them are culpable, the laws of this country will deal with them. So I'm pleased and happy the way the police are doing their work. It can happen that all of them are involved, because when such cases happen, the police normally conduct a soup. And the soup means they will just arrest anybody they find within the confined area where the crime was perpetrated. So therefore, after their investigation, some of them will be discharged from the offense that have been slapped on their faces. So in the end, when investigation is complete, you find that most of the juveniles and the young persons may be discharged from the case.
The head of legal and prosecutions at the Ashanti Regional Police Command, ACP Kofi Blagoji, on his part, stated that the police are pursuing other suspects as well.
We are only maintaining the old charges, but we only submit the charge sheet because we've got some people arrested. And that is the position of the law. You have to submit the charge sheet and include them. And so this is exactly what we do.
Are you still going after some suspects?
Yes, we had information that there are some people involved, so we shall try to see whether we can climb on them and then add them to the charge sheet.
Can you put the number?
No, exactly. Now we can't speak of the number now.
But can you confirm to us that the school prefect has also been arrested?
Yeah, the school prefect is part of those who presented today before the court.
The school is yet to be reopened after it was shut down following the disturbances. Officials from the Ghana Education Service say they will provide counseling services to the students when the school resumes. While the police are pursuing the matter in court, a 5-member committee has been set up to investigate the disturbances at the school.
The matter has been adjourned to 2nd of March 2023, and the police say they are still pursuing other suspects. For Citi News, Edward upon Marful, Asukariman District Court, Ashanti Region.